We're in the middle of building my dream guitar building studio, and in guitar building I use the Orion 950 moisture meter religiously. This is emphatically one of the most important tools. If you build a guitar with wood that has got the wrong moisture content, you're going to build something that is 9 times out of 10 not going to work properly. We're about to lay a floor. I don't lay floors. I don't know what I'm doing, but I do know moisture is a thing. So I got in touch with Wagner, and they sent us some really cool tech. Apparently this is the jam. We're not only going to be measuring using the 950 what's happening with the wood itself, you measure the concrete, because you need to know before you lay the floor what's going to happen. So we got the Rapid RH L6 WFP 350 Plus set, advanced concrete moisture testing, and it comes with absolutely everything that you require. From pretty much the coolest drill bit I've ever seen in my life. I mean, that's awesome. They've really thought of everything. A wire brush to clean the hole, a hoovering attachment so you can hoover out the dust left over in the hole because you want an accurate read. This here is the basic set, the total reader. The beautiful thing about this is you've got an insert that you put into a hole. Our floor is 5 inches thick, therefore we've gone 2 inches deep. It even comes with little measurers so you can say, hey, that's how deep I need to go, and it's I think 40% of the depth or the total thickness of your floor. Insert one of these items. This is the sensor, and then with the basic kit, you walk around your room and say, okay, we've got 4 sensors or 6 sensors in this room, and over time, you plug that in, and via Bluetooth, it sends it to your phone and says, hey, this sensor is reading at X, that sensor is reading at Y. This floor is far too wet for you to lay your floor safely. Now, the next one, got these cool little things. You bury one of these at the correct depth. So we've got a 6-inch thick concrete slab under here. These little data grabber things, you plug in, put them in your sensor, boop, like that, and you leave them in. And you leave them in over a period of time, and every time you walk past them, it'll send via Bluetooth a signal to your phone and say, hey, it's populated with the data and you know exactly what you're doing with ease and accuracy. Now on top of that, we've got the smart loggers, and quite frankly, I want a bunch of these to put around the studio and various timber stores and things. This does the same thing. This tells you what's happening in the room. We have fairly good humidity control in the workshop because we're building guitars. If you put a floor down, and you've done everything right, and the concrete is perfect, and the wood is nice and dry, yet your clients leave the storm doors open and pour water over it every morning with their morning ablutions. This will tell you over a period of time why the floor failed. Well, I'm going to go drill some holes, and then we'll see if we're going to be laying flooring or not. I hope so. See you soon. So there we go. I think I've got all that data. Lots of data. Yep, I could get used to this floor.